Well, that wraps up the last song for the morning as we head into our, our talk. Storms are likely tomorrow, with large hail up to 4 inches. Up to 110-mile-an-hour winds sustained. And multiple strong tornadoes likely in the afternoon to evening hours. Let's call in Tracy to finish the talk.
Thank you so much, Ken. So the storms are expected to start around 2 p.m. tomorrow and cease around sunset. More can be found at the Storm Prediction Centre's Outlook. And now, the afternoon jazz. And so the storms have begun to initiate across Missouri and southern Illinois, with a few already having severe thunderstorm warnings. So we will just keep an eye on those as they might become tornadic within the next few hours. More on... Never mind. A tornado watch has just been issued for northern and central
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 349, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Illinois: Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Vermilion, Will, and Woodford. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio or television outlets, or internet sources for the latest weather information.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. CDT. At 3:29 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lisle, or over Wheaton, moving east-northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Cicero, Chicago, and Wheaton. Hazard: 90 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near Glen Ellen, Lombard, Addison, Villa Park, Westmont, Elmhurst, Wheaton, Oak Brook, and Downers Grove around 3:40 p.m. CDT. Maywood, Broadview, Melrose Park, Bellwood, River Grove, Northlake, Franklin Park, Hillside, and Westchester around 3:45 p.m. CDT. Oak Park, Forest Park, Chicago, Belmont Cragen, Dunning, Austin, Elmwood Park, Norridge, and River Forest around 3:50 p.m. CDT. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Archer Heights, Clearing, Stone Park, West Lawn, McCook, Berkeley, Garfield Ridge, Burbank, West Elston, Forest View, and Oak Brook Terrace. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. This storm is producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for east central Cook County and northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. CDT. At 3:47 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over South Lawndale, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Northerly Island, Chicago, near West Side, and Chicago Loop around 4 p.m. CDT. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include West Lawn, West Englewood, Greater Grand Crossing, Oakland, West Elston, Beverly, Burnside, North Lawndale, Lower West Side, and McKinley Park. Precautionary/preparedness sections. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A confirmed large, and extremely dangerous tornado was observed near